Hi, could you please advise me? I'm an international student from India. I am taking my master's course in cybersecurity in the UK. Does university matter? And will I be able to get a job once I complete my master's? Please let me know if you can suggest some universities for cybersecurity. Okay, I'm going to answer this one to the best of my ability. So I can only speak for the US, and I can tell you US companies, this is how they behave. And I think that some other countries such as Australia, Canada, and UK follow the same thing. For IT, okay, I'm not speaking for if you're a doctor, university really matters. If you're a lawyer in the US, university really matters if you're a lawyer. If you're a high-level business exec, university really matters. Here's where it doesn't matter as much. If you start your own company, a degree itself doesn't even matter.